Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a link on Snapchat story. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply click a picture or video. I can click picture. So now I can tap on the circle icon and the picture is clicked. And after this, you can just simply copy the link that you want to paste on Snapchat story. I can copy my Instagram profile link. So now I can go to the Instagram and here now you can tap on share profile. Now you can tap on copy link. After copy the link, you can go back again on Snapchat and you can now tap on paperclip icon at the top right side of the screen. And here you can just simply now select story. And now you can just simply paste the link here that you copied. And now you can tap on done. And after this, you can just simply now tap on story at the bottom middle of the screen, and now you can just simply send this story to your friends only, or you can public this story, or you can also select private story. And this is the way you can add a link on Snapchat story if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.